Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Today we're going to review the scientific method again. So we are going to look at our Science Fusion book. I'm going to show you a few pages. These pages are also going to be on our slides, so you can look back at these. But you're going to need to remember these because one of your challenges today, one of the bonuses that you get to do is create a poster or your own book about the scientific method. So step one is the purpose, or ask a question. When you ask a question, it's what causes things to change. This is the kind of question you can answer with an investigation. Step two is the hypothesis. What is an educated guess of the answer to our question? So a hypothesis is a statement that could answer your question. A good hypothesis explains why. You must be able to test a hypothesis. The next step is to predict and plan an investigation. This is also where you would gather all of your materials that you would need for your investigation. Predict what you will observe if your hypothesis is correct, and test your experiment. Test your hypothesis to see if it is correct. Step four is the procedure. This is the actual experiment. So this is where you do the experiment to test your hypothesis to see if you were correct or not. And if you're not, that's okay. If you are, you would explain why. Step five is draw conclusions or results. So you're going to analyze your results and draw a conclusion. Ask yourself, do the results support my hypothesis? How well does my hypothesis explain the data? And then your last step is to share your conclusions with others. So I hope this helps, and you can always replay this multiple times if needed. But this is what we're going to use, and you should be able to see these circles in the picture next to you. And your challenge today is going to be to create a poster or your own book explaining the scientific method and send it to your teacher. I hope you guys have a great day.